I'm Anna Harris, personal trainer and nutrition coach, and the founder of FitEatRest.com. So today I'm bringing you some supersets. I call them perfect pairs, 2 exercises back to back. So it's great for a movement break if you've been sitting for a long time, or it's also a great finisher for your workout. So I am going to do these as a ladder. 1 rep, 2 reps, 3 and 4, and then we'll go back down. You can also do them in straight sets of 10 or 12, it's up to you. I'm just gonna do 1 of each, then 2 of each, then 3, then 4. We're going up the ladder and then back down. So today's pair is a chest press and a reverse crunch. So are you ready? Let's get started. We're going to start with the chest press. So push your upper back into the floor, knees bent, abs braced. 1 press. Lower down. 1 reverse crunch. So legs up, push your tailbone up. Legs back, pick up the weights. 2 presses. Dumbbells down, 2 reverse crunches. We got 3. Exhale when you press. 3 reverse crunches. 4 presses. Squeeze. 1 more. 4 reverse crunches. You can take a little breather. We're going to go back down. 4 reverse crunches. 4 presses. 3 reverse crunches. 2. 1. And there you have it, a superset. Chest presses and reverse crunches. You're working your upper body, chest, shoulders, triceps, and you're working your lower abs and glutes.